What's up, everybody? We're here in Morgan Park in the city of Arcadia. Check it out. There's apparently Norte. Oh, there's Norte. Orale. There's apparently some pretty good gang activity around here. Holy crap, that's a fall. Wow, this bridge is old. Vamos a para otro lado. Wow, this bridge is tall. Said no fishing on the bridge, I guess. Wow, this is flowing. Old. ¿Ah? Sí, por allá. Ah, sí, por allá se entra. There's horse poop on the bridge. Mira, papi, aquí, caca caballo. So somebody actually rides a horse through here. Dang. This bridge looks really old. Looks real nice, actually. Let's do what we came to do. Looks really neat here. I would definitely recommend this. Lots of shade, lots of big trees. It's a hot day. Lots of big trees. There's a lot of shade here. Obviously, I'm in the fishing, but we don't know if the fishing's good here yet or not. Oh, check this out. It says here they got some Nortes, they got some Bloods, they have some teenagers. Seems like the territory is pretty covered today. Here they got more Bloods. Yami loves Susie. All right. For life. I know this is get some of these fish out here, man. Oh snap. Hey buddy. How y'all doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Yeah.
Alright, cool, man.
Alright.
So am I going about this wrong? I'm using a worm. That'll work out here or no?
It will. Just depends on the fish, to be honest.
Yeah.
There's bass on here.
There's bass though?
Yeah.
Are they big ones?
Harley, come here.
Are they big ones? Are they big, medium?
They're about medium.
Alright. I never fished out here, I'm just driving through.
Yeah, fucking. Someone caught a 32-inch snook right here.
Oh, there's snook up this way.
Yeah.
Dang, that's cool.
Harley, come here, boy.
Cool, they said there's snook out here. That's the Peace River, and we're just gonna do some bass fishing here. We're gonna see if we can get up on some bass out here. Oh, no. There's a lot of sunken structure. I didn't lock the car, keep an eye on it too. This is a different type of fishing here. Murky brown, murky brown water. Oh, look at this tree. Watch out for that tree right there. Look at this. It's like all spiny. Watch out for that tree right there. It's all spiny. I've never seen these in Naples. Leaf. Oh. I really am tempted to explore this creek, but I'm not dressed for this. Oh, dude, this is so muddy. I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe I'm doing this. I should have at least took my shoes off. This is the only pair of shoes I have on me. If I'm in the truck, I carry extra shoes in the truck, but we're not in the truck. And we're like, oh, look at this pond here. Oh, dude, there's gotta be good bass here. Wow. Lots of birds. Cool, this is a neat spot. Oh, there's definitely bass in here. My dad and Katie are mad at me. They're like, this is not what we signed up for today. You don't blame them for being mad at me. We're supposed to be looking at real estate, and I saw this little creek here and I was like, well, I'll be back. Oh, I don't see any fish in here. Okay. If this doesn't work out, if I don't catch any bass here, spider web. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to head back over to the river where the water's flowing. Very neat. I don't know if there's going to be bass. There should be. I think the water might be too low here. I don't know. Because this is just like a little creek that comes off of the Peace River. Lots of graffiti out here for a small town like this. GoPro, record. Okay guys, we're about 200 miles from home and we just had a tire blowout going at 80 miles an hour. Good thing I was able to control the car. Let me just show you guys where we are. We are there. So there's no used tire shop around here. Luckily I do have a spare on me, so we're gonna...
Mom? Hey, I'm gonna have to cancel for tonight. Right after I texted you 7 o'clock, we just had a tire blowout. And
we're in the middle of nowhere.
We'll be fine. We're just like outside of spring.
We are practically, guys, we're heading to this lake right here. It's called Lake Itsotapaga, and we are about 200 miles from home. Let me just show you guys what happened. Pretty much that happened right there. Luckily we do have a spare tire, so let's see if we can change it. And I do have a car jack. I saw a cop roll by, but he didn't seem... Luckily, I do have a spare tire. It's not bad at all. Yeah, it's brand new. Katie, about to go hot simple. Katie, you're gonna have to get out. You're gonna have to get out, Katie. You're gonna have to get out, baby. Nothing like having a tire blow out at 80 miles an hour. Close that door, please. This is the second time, don't tell me this is broken. This is the second time we've had problems with that tire.
Yeah.
Hold on to the keys, I'm on the roof. I gotta change my pants. I can't really mess up my... Look at these pants. You think I can change a tire wearing these pants? Our attitude about this is awesome, by the way. You know that, right?
Another day of the life of Pinky and Jose.
Let me take my shirt off too. On the techo. Let me take my shirt off. Oh yeah, come here, baby.
Oh, you look so fat.
Oh, I thought you said fat. I was like,
I would never say that.
Huh? Smartphone train and see who it is, Katie. Estas piedras aquí, esto no se va a poder bajar más. Va a quedarle para arriba. Okay, watch your feet. I'm gonna go up, okay? Vamos a darle más suave, más para arriba. Tomás tiene la goma.
Suave, dale suave. Prueba la goma a ver si entra debajo para arriba.
No, todo bien. Vamos a tener la llanta abajo. El gato se puede partir también. Este gato es una basura. At least this tire is good. I know. One triangle, I hear you. Ahí hay nuevos, le puse los nuevos. Quizás tenga que usar los originales.
You are a master. You changed the tire and you're loosening it up.
I know. They stripped the head.
Huh?
The bolt stripped the head. I don't know if... Según la cabeza. The bolt stripped out. Dang, two of them stripped out and the bottom too. This could be a real problem.
¿Sale ahora?
I don't know, sale, papi. Damn it.
Vete con 3.
Con 3. Y los dos que están mal abajo. Wow, dude.
¿Los otros apretaron?
Ya, pero si me paso también se le va a pasar lo mismo.
Pues sácalo y pon los originales. No le sigue dando a eso. Dale para atrás.
No, ya no quieren coger para atrás.
Para atrás donde tiene que darle.
No quieren coger para atrás.
Más nunca lo vas a sacar entonces.
No quieren
No
coger.
le dé para adelante.
Papi, no, it's loose. It doesn't really matter if you go. No me estés gritando, please. Like, I'm already stressed out and you're screaming at me. No importa si le das para adelante o para atrás, ya se vuela la cabeza. Eso no... Dang it. Putting the new ones was a bad idea. I should have used the original ones.
O sea que el Mercedes lo hacen para él.
Will it get us to Florida?
It will, but it's very dangerous. You have to go 55, 60 miles an hour now. Because if a freaking tire blows out going 90 like we drive. This isn't a tire blowing out, this is the whole freaking wheel popping off. Different story. It's a lot scarier than a tire popping.
And that was
Okay, I gotta breathe for a second. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, stop recording.
Dale suavecito.
The problem is that we actually made it worse.
Dale suave.
We actually made it worse because we put in the new. We put in the new ones, and these new ones aren't even the right size lug nuts. And the new lug nuts stripped the heads out, and now we're worse off than we were before. We were bad off
Ya no le
before.
sigas dando, que eso no aprieta más. No le sigas dando.
Pues si mira, papi, si está suelto, escúchame.
Sí.
Ya eso se llevó la cabeza.
No le sigas dando.
Shh, escúchame, relax, please. Mira, papi, si ya se llevó la cabeza,
Sí.
si ya se llevó la cabeza,
Ya no sirve.
ya eso no sirve. Ya este se llevó la cabeza, este. Ya esto no tiene arreglo.
Con esos dos podemos irnos.
Con dos.
Hasta con uno se va.
Es que este se llevó la cabeza ya. Este se llevó la cabeza. Este se llevó la cabeza. Y este se llevó la cabeza. Ya esto no tiene arreglo. No, dale suave, no, papi. Ya esto no tiene arreglo. We gotta call a tow truck. We stripped the heads on all of them.
Trate de ver si no tropiezan.
Papi, we stripped the heads on all of them, dude. Call a tow truck. Ya esto no tiene arreglo. Happy, escúchame, relax. Mira, nos llevamos las 4, son 5 cabezas, nos llevamos 4 y eso no tiene arreglo. We put in the wrong lug nuts by accident and we stripped the nuts. So we're trying to get to Sebring before the tire falls off. Papi, si esa llanta se zafa en la carretera tenemos un problema de proporciones magníficas. Porque el carro jala atrás.
Ella no se va
a zafar.
There's one that's open till 7.
What, Home Depot?
No, U-Haul.
And it's what, 5, 6?
It's 5:30.
How far away are they? So there's a semi truck coming at us. Holy crap, this is scary. Oh my, dude, this semi truck is coming right at us.
Okay.
Wow, that's scary.
5 miles from here.
There's a U-Haul.
Yeah, it's 10 miles, less than 10 miles from here.
Okay, we'll have to try to make it. I don't know if this will make it 10 miles, but we can try. I'm okay.
Because if we can do that, we can try to get someone to bring us the truck.
Dude, it's in Sebring.
Yeah.
We're not gonna make it 10 miles at the rate we're going. We're going 10 miles an hour. It's 10 miles away.
Yeah.
Okay. We could try to make it that far, but I don't think we're gonna make it that far.
Okay.
See if there's an advance or a Napa or something. Ok, esto es un parque, papi. ¿Podemos parquear aquí?
Vamos a ir para adelante
Hasta llegar a Sebring. Seguimos para Sebring. Porque aquí es un parque, aquí, no, aquí podemos estar parqueados. Vamos a empezar a mirarlo.
Vamos a mirarlo.
We have no service.
No vives tanto así.
You need to keep going.
Que es mortal.
Charge one of the phones. Here, give me one of the phones. Aquí lo mejor que hacemos, ¿sabes lo que es? Esto es un parque, aquí podemos dejar el carro parqueado y la gente piensa que estamos en el mar. ¿Oíste? Aquí podemos dejar el carro y llamamos a alguien que nos recoja y lo dejamos aquí y después vengo a recogerlo.
Ahí va bien, para que sepan.
Phones are dead, there's no signal. Hmm?
Ni tan caliente. Ni.
Entonces, ¿por qué suena?
Algo está tropezando y a lo mejor fue que se partió la banda de freno. Ahí va bien.
Seguimos. Porque mira, papi, escúchame.
Sí, yo sé lo que hay aquí.
Ok, considera esto. Esto es un parque, aquí podemos estar parqueados. Aquí podemos estar parqueados y hasta dejar el carro. Y la gente va a pensar que estamos en un barco. Mira, aquí hay el carro parqueado. Aquí podemos dejar el carro parqueado y nadie se va a dar cuenta. Llamamos un Uber y nos vamos para el carajo.
Un Uber, ¿cuánto cobra que?
O alguien nos trae de la familia, pero aquí podemos dejar el carro y hay que dejarlo aquí.
Sí, aquí sí.
Entonces, ya entonces el lunes rentamos un... Aquí podemos dejar el carro seguro, ¿para qué vamos arriesgando? Quién sabe en Sebring lo que nos llaman una grúa si nos queremos botar los huevos, que no podemos. Piensa en eso, vamos a preguntarle a qué es lo que piensa. Katie, do you think we leave... This is a park. If we leave the car here, nobody will suspect anything. We can leave the car here and we call Susanna to give us a ride. I don't, because if we keep trying to go to Sebring, if that wheel that whole thing snaps off in Sebring, we can get we're gonna have to tow the car, and it's just gonna create a conundrum. At least here we know we park it here, we come get it Monday.
Yeah.
Think about it. Es lo que dicen los carteles. Aquí podemos parqueamos aquí y sabemos que hasta el lunes, aquí hasta el lunes acá. Yeah, it is. Alright guys, so we gotta wait about 2.5 hours to get a ride. So we're gonna wait 2.5 hours to get a ride. At least 2.5 hours. Oh, look at the turkey crossing the road. He's gonna hit it, he's gonna hit it. Oh, he almost hit the turkey, man. That'd have been nice, car versus turkey. Alright guys, so we're just gonna fish here for a little bit, make the best of the situation. Check out this bridge right here. Where we're at, I'll post it later. Mary Jane. Ponte esta cámara. Vamos a pasar un rato, lo que vamos a hacer, right? Rest in peace, Bankroll Fresh. Rest in peace, Bankroll Fresh. I miss you, baby. Rest in peace, Bankroll Fresh. Basically, the guy said when we get back, he thinks our car won't even have rims because there's a lot of meth and crack out here and stuff. And when people go into town, they go to Avon. Ese es un lago, parece, ¿no? No, ese es el cielo. Sí, ese es el cielo. No sé, aquí hay muchos lagos en esta zona. Pero dice que con la cantidad de gente que usa droga aquí, que cuando lleguemos, cuando viremos para atrás, que el carro no va a tener ni llanta. He's like, yeah, when we get back, our car probably won't even have rims. Ya, pero el problema es que el que necesita 10 pesos para meterse una droga, necesita 10 pesos para meterse una droga. So we'll see. Another adventure from my channel. So what's up, everybody? My mother-in-law picked me up. We're in La Belle now. We got in La Belle. We're here at the El Burger King. El Burger King, man. In La Belle. Yeah. So we're in La Belle. GoPro, stop recording.